Hey folks, Saidi Johnson here, Marine Max Sail and Ski, Austin, Texas, 183 North location. Today we're going to do another video on the 2021 Harris Cruiser pontoon line, and want to point out a few new features. Really feeling this design here. We've talked about the new Helm design in the past. It has an option to put the mobile charging station and a few other things, but to keep it simple, this is the new dash. Really nice. People are loving it. The other thing that we want to talk about is the new SL dual helm design and features within it. So this is the new dual helm single lounge design. So the new lounge design has a few positions to lay in, one upright, one laid all the way out, so you can really get comfortable. Comfort's not a problem on this boat, especially with the new enhanced vinyl layout, the new feel. It's nice and comfortable. So along with that, the other thing is now you have one flat, long back bolster, like back seat, with a cup holder over there for that person and an armrest. It's a little bit more unique than what you've experienced in the past. And you still have the storage on the SL design. Still got plenty of storage in here to keep a few things. And over here, you can tell that you got the new feature of a cooler, or whatever it is you decide you want to use it for. But it does have a drain in it, so that's the reason that it can be used as a cooler. But also with the SL design and layout, you get the extended swim platforms on both sides of the boat. So when you order the SL seating, it requires you to order the package that has the extended swim platforms. So today we're going to stop there. There'll be some more videos coming up or some more features with the new Harris line, but for now we want you to check out the new SL dual helm seating design.